Afternoon everyone, I'm Professor Daniel Moraes from Saish Academy, and now I'll be telling you all about your 7th standard reduced portion in Science and Technology. So in the first chapter, first page we have that try this cancelled. Then on the 7th page we have always remember cancelled. Then on page number 8 we have great scientist cancelled. Then on page number 9 we have following are some example that is not cancelled, but below that you can see one line, find out the scientific name that is cancelled, and the box with the frog that is cancelled. Then you have page number 11, do you know, that is cancelled, and then why are underground trees, find out, techno support, that fool is cancelled. Then on page number 12 you have complete the chart, that is cancelled. Then on page number 13 you have the table, the down table, complete the following chart is cancelled. Page number 14 you have the observe, use your brain power, cancelled. On page number 16 you have let's recall, first 2 points cancelled. On page 17 find out and do you know, a little fun, great scientist, all is cancelled. On page 21 you have let's recall, cancelled. On page 24 you have do you know, always remember, and world soil day, that all is cancelled. Also great scientist is cancelled. On page number 26 chapter number 4 we have let's recall, put the points, cancelled. We have find out why, let's recall, 27 page number, both cancelled. Page number 28 we have atmospheric fixation of nitrogen, that part cancelled. Then we have on page next we have observe and the plants around you and diagnose the nutrients deficiency if any, that is cancelled. Then on page number 32 you have that box, the anteater. Then let's recall on page number 34, and that box also is cancelled. Then on page number 35 you have observe and discuss, that is cancelled. Then on the next you have 16th October World Food Day, cancelled. National Institutes, that box is cancelled. Observe and discuss is cancelled. On page 37 you have great scientist and do you know, cancelled. On page 38 you have my friend the internet, cancelled. On page 39 you have do you know and books my friend, cancelled. On page 42 you have do you know, cancelled. On page 43 you have great scientist, cancelled. On page 44 you have my friend the internet, cancelled. On page next you have do you know, cancelled, and my friend's newspaper, cancelled. Then you have the 7th chapter first page, observe and discuss, cancelled. Then you have page 53, do you know, cancelled. Then you have use your brain power, page 55, cancelled. Then you have 56, do you know, cancelled. Then you have page 60, a wonder of science, cancelled. Then you have page 63, great scientist, cancelled. Then you have page 65, in the past, that box is cancelled. And on page 66 do you know, and then the government of India, and can you tell, these all points are cancelled. Even that paragraph below, can you tell, is cancelled. Then on the next you have wonderful things to know, do you know, both those boxes are cancelled, and the last one also, my friend the internet, also is cancelled. Then you have page number 69, let's recall, cancelled. Techno support is cancelled. National Institute is cancelled. And on page 72 you have books my friend, cancelled. Then on page next you have do you know, cancelled. Then on page 77 you have that part, books my friend, cancelled. Then on page 79 you have do you know is cancelled. On page 82 do you know is cancelled. On page 83 do you know. On page 89 you have some fun, that part is cancelled. On page 94 you have great scientist, cancelled, and the table down from the internet or reference books. And on page 100 you have do you know is cancelled. Then on page 103 you have find out why. Then on page number 105 you have my friend the internet, national institutions, both those boxes are cancelled. And on page 106 you have find out why that small box that is cancelled. Then on page 107 you have national institutions, that box is cancelled. Then on page 109 you have books my friend, that box is cancelled. Then on 116 you have the last over there, find out why, 3 points, those are cancelled. And on page number 117 think and discuss, that box is cancelled. Then on page number 108 the first point, let's recall and all the down those sentences, those are cancelled. On page 124 uses of ultrasonic sound is cancelled. On page 128 use your brain power, that line is cancelled. On page 131 the first let's recall, that part is cancelled. On page 133 find out why, that part is cancelled. On page 136 national institutions, that part is cancelled. Books my friend, that part is cancelled. And with this we finish up with the 7th standard science reduction question. Please like, subscribe and share the video.